Hi my friends, welcome to my channel today. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make this wonderful file bags. This is the file bag and the beautiful one for that matter. I'll show you the measurement I used, both the round body, the zipper side, the handle and every other thing on those bags. So let's go ahead. I've cutted out everything, both the lining, the front and the back side, the side pockets, the front pocket, then the inner pocket. All of them are here. So let's go ahead. I will show you the measurements that I used. So coming here will be the front back, the smaller front back for those one now. And the measurement I used here is 15 by, I used 15 by 8 and 3 inch for those, and I'll be using this line after sewing it. I'll go ahead and cut the remaining one out. Then after those one now, the measurement for this one also is a 10.5 by 15 inch. Is the same measurement we'll do. The only thing is this one is longer, so it's 10.5. This one will be two pieces. That's this and this. The reason why I'm using this design is because those one here will be in the front of those one this way. So it will be in the front of this one this way. This one will be the front pocket for the bag, and this one again. Then before I'll sew this one, I will not add zip on this. Rather, I'll just add only lining on this one. And I told you that this one is two pieces, this and this. Then all of them had their lining for those. Then because this place now is a 15 inch, I added three extra one here, three extra one here. So 15 plus three is a 6. 3 is 6. Then from that 3 to 6 is plus 15 is 21 inch. That will be the zipper side for the bag. So it will be 21 by 2 inch, and it will be two pieces. That's for those one. Sorry, let me open it and I will show you. That's for this and those. Can you see? So this one is for the zipper side of the bag. The measurement for this one will be the remaining measurement for this one, because this one is 10.5 inch, and I subtracted 3 inch from this. The remaining one now will be 7.5 inch. So now coming here, from here to here I've subtracted the 3 inch. The remaining one now is 7.5 inch. So this 7.5 inch plus 7.5 inch, that is 7.5 inch, if you can call it that way, or 7.5 inch based on mathematics. So 7.5 inch plus this one will give us 15 inch. Then the plus this 15 this side, that will be the remaining, the round body of the bag. So 15 plus 15 is 30 inch. You add it one extra that will sew inside this side and this side, remaining that 13 inch, because I told you here is 7.5, here is 7.5, so 15. So plus this 15 now is 30 inch. So let's go ahead and sew all of them together. Then I'll come and show you the handle that I will use. So for the handle of the bag, because this is 10.5 inch, I will now add the, let's turn it here. I will now add the extra 20 inch here. I'll add a 20 inch, that will be the upper side of this 10.5, and there I'll add another 20. That's from here to here is 20 inch. Then the remaining one here now, so the handle will be 40 inch, and it will be two pieces for the one that will be at the front of the bag. So now let's go ahead and sew those bags. The first thing I need to sew on this bag now is the inner zip. This is the inner zip of the bag. This is where I measured it. I just measured the 7.5 inch. From here to here is 3 inch. So I measure from here to here to be 3 inch. Then from here to here to be 3.5, 3.5. The remaining one is the zipper side of the bag. So let me go ahead and add lining and the zip for those one. So this is the lining. This is the lining that I will using for the bag. It will be this way now. Then I will turn it. Okay, it will be this way. I see. Once it is this way now, I'll now go ahead and sew it on my machine this way. So coming at this point, after sewing it this way, I'll just fold it here. I'll fold it this way now. I'll cut it this way. So it will be this way now. Then I'll put the lining inside. So I'll put the lining inside this way. Then I'll go ahead and sew it. So after adding zip on those, I'll go ahead and cover the lining of the zip. I'll go ahead and cover the lining of the zip here by sewing it from here. So after adding the lining and the zip, this is the pockets. This is the inner pocket for the back. So after adding the pockets on the back, I will now go ahead and add the lining that I will use to cover it. So I'll add the lining and cover it with this lining here. So after adding lining on these two on the back, after adding the lining here this way, I'll now go ahead and add lining on this one. So the way I'll add lining here is to fold this lining this way. I'll first of all sew it this way now with this. So after sewing it, I will turn it this way, then I'll go ahead and fold it here. So after adding the lining, this is how it will be. Then next thing I will do is to go ahead and add it on this one here. So I'll add it this way here. I'll now go ahead and sew it and stop here. So after this, I'll cut the remaining ones out. So the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and add cord. Then I also the zipper side and the round body together. Then the next thing I will do now is for me. Sorry, before I sew this, I supposed to add handle here. I supposed to add handle on this one, so I need to lose it somehow. Then I'll go ahead and add the handle. So the first thing I need to do is to get the measurement of this. So I need to get the measurement, get in the middle, then I'll fold it again. I'll knot the middle here, then I'll go ahead and knot this one here. Then coming here, I'll also knot here. And I'll also knot here. So I'll add handle here, and I'll also add handle here. The same thing applies to this one. So let me put this one here. I'll first of all add handle here, As I told you, the measurement for the handle that I'll add will be 40. So I need to bring this pocket out so that I will not sew it together with this. I'm supposed to add the handle before all these ones. I couldn't remember again. And sew this side also. So after adding handle on this one, it will be this way. Can you see? I'll now go ahead and add handle on this one also. So after adding the handle on the two sides of the bag, so the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and add the handle on the to go, the next thing I will do now. So the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and add the zip and the round body on this bag and the cord. That's the remaining work on this bag.